Friends, sometimes it is very difficult to add our bank account to this CJ website for the payment. Okay, you see this routing number. I tried my best, but I did not get my routing number. So I will try once again, but I know that I will not be successful because I have tried so many times. So I will show you how to add Payoneer account to CJ. Okay, for this you can check. I tried my Indian bank account to just get updated for the payout in CJ, and because of this routing number, we don't have routing number. I did not get my routing number from a bank. So now I will try. You see, it's CJ International Payments. When you click here, CJ gives us an alternative option that we can use Payoneer as an alternative option to add as our payment method. Okay, so if you have your Payoneer account, that is well and fine. If you don't have your Payoneer account, you can just visit the Payoneer website and create your own new account. And after that, remember, you need to have your USD account also inside Payoneer. Once you have your Payoneer account and then inside you have your Payoneer USD account, you can simply very easily connect your Payoneer account to CJ. So as you can check, we are back again in the CJ payment information portal. Okay, here I will just enter my USD bank account details. I have already created that, and here you can just click here in USD, and after that you see get USD bank account details. I have already applied and it is approved, and I have my own bank account details. I will click here again, and as you can check, this is my Payoneer USD account. So we'll click here in USD account, and you can check the details that I have here. And here the good thing is that I have got routing number. You see, this is the routing number. And now I will just one by one copy and paste in the CJ payment option. First of all, I will do with routing number, and then next the account number, or the account number will be good enough. We'll just copy the account number and then paste it here. Okay, and next I will go with the account type, and okay, we need to select here USD. Okay, United States dollar. It is done. And now we'll go with account type. Account type should be checking, as the account that I have received from Payoneer, it is checking. So I will just select checking in CJ. Okay, and now the bank name, it is Citibank. So I will just copy and paste here Citibank as the bank name. And one more thing, you need to toggle this on, because if you don't toggle this on, you won't be receiving international payments. Okay, as per the owner bank, we just need to toggle this on. Okay, and after all these things are done, you just re-verify and click on save. Once you click on save, all the details that you have entered here, after you get a phone call, after confirmation, all the details will be saved inside CJ website payment method. And in this way, I successfully added my bank details inside CJ website, which previously was not possible due to I did not have my router number with my Indian bank account. And now I do have my router number with Payoneer USD account, and I have successfully entered all the details.